One is x plus 2y is less than or equal to 120, and another one is this, and one more is this. Same procedure, first write inequality to equality, that is x plus 2y less than or equal to 120 or equal to 120. Calculate only 2 points, x and y. First problem clean ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದೇ ತರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ when x is 0, y is 60, when y is equal to 0, x is 120. That is 0, 60, 1 point, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 120, 0, 120, 0. That I will write as a B. The next is x plus y equal to 60. X plus y equal to 60. Calculate 2 points here. Calculate exactly 2 points. 2 points, x and y. X is 0, what about y? Y is 60. Y is 0, what about x? X is 60. That is 0, 60, this is point C. 60, 0, this is point C, B. So one more point I will, one more equality I have discussed, that is x minus 2y equal to 0. This is very important concept where you are going to get a negative as well as you are going to get 0 in the right side. So in this case, you have to be very careful. So if I take 2x to that side, it becomes 2y to that side becomes 2y. Now x and y, calculate 2 points. If x is 0, what happens to y? Is y also 0? Y also 0? So 0, 0 is 1 point. If y is 0, what happens to x? X is also 0. So same point we are going to get 0, 0. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ some other point you have to take other than 0. Whenever it is like this, right side 0 is there. If I put x is 0, y is 0, y is 0, x is 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. You can't draw the line by using 1 point. Minimum 2 points are required. So you have to take other than 0. Say y is equal to 30 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Y is equal to 30. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y equal to 30. 30 into 2, 60. X equal to 60 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it is 60, 30. That I will take it as F. Now draw the graph. It is last condition, x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. So it is in the first quadrant. It should be in the first quadrant. So up to on y-axis, I think up to 60, up to 60 I need. On y-axis up to 60 I need. So I will go for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I will go for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. On x-axis, I think up to 120 I need. 120, 0, 60, 60, 120 I need. So it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is 110, 120, 120 on x-axis. Now plot the graph. First one, when x is 0, y is 60. This point, that is point A, that is 0, 60. When x is 120, y is 0. That is this point. X is 120 when y is 0. This is point B. Join. Put arrow mark and write the equation on that. What is the equation? X plus 2y equal to 120. Write the equation on that. And see the inequality. Inequality ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ದಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ you have to mark. Second one, when x is 0, y is 60. When x is 0, y is 60. The same point, even point C also, same point when x is 0, y is 60. when y is 0, x is 60. When y is 0, x is 60. That is x is 60 when y is 0. This is point D. Point D. Now draw the graph. Draw the graph. Now write the equation on that. What is the equation? That is x plus y equal to 60. X plus y equal to 60. Now inequality greater than. So line ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪೆನ್ನ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Now the next problem is when x is 0, y is 0. This point, this is the point origin. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 60, y is 30. When x is 60, y is 30. Maybe this point. Nodi? Maybe this point. Maybe this point. So this is the graph. This is the graph. This is the graph. This is x minus 2y equal to 0, 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ವೆದರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಗೋ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. So whenever there is a minus sign, whenever there is 0 in the right side, or whenever there is a minus sign, the method is not the previous one what I followed. Mark ಮಾಡಿದ previous one ಮಾಡಮಲ್ಲ ಅದಲ್ಲ. Method is this. ನೋಡಿ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದೇ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ? Which is more, x or y? X is more or y is more? X is more. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕಡೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Now, which is the common region? This is the common region, which is called as feasible region. It is called as feasible region. Corner points. Then z is equal to, what is z equal to? 5x plus 10y. What are the corner points here? 40, 20. So here it is 60, 0. So here it is 120, 0. So here it is 60, 30. Now we need to calculate z there. Z is equal to 5 into x, 400, plus 10 into 20. That is 5 into 400. 5 into 40. That is 5 4s are 20, 200, plus 10 into 2. That is 200. Is equal to 400. Is it 400? Similarly, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 65s are. Is it 300 and 0? Y is 0. Next 120 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ x ಅಲ್ಲಿ 120, that is 12 5s are 6000. Is it 6000? Similarly ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 6 into 5 into 6 300, plus 3 into that is 300 is equal to 600. So you got two 600s, two maximum and one minimum value. So minimum value first ಬರ್ಬೋಣ. Conclusion is minimum value is 300 occur at 60, 0. So 60, 0 is a solution to get a minimum value. And maximum value is 600. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು? ಒಂದು 120, 0 and 60, 30. So 60, 30 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, 120, 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 600. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್? How many points are there? Infinitely many points are there. Infinitely many points are there. That is, conclusion is all the points on the line segment joining ಯಾವ point? That is 60, 30 and 120, 0 are the solution. So 600 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎರಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸೋ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು 600 ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 600 only. So that is the solution.